crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be cube steak with gravy smothered down with onions and bell peppers. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using for the season of cube steak: black pepper, salt, Chachere creole seasoning, my personal season. If you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos and comment on the videos, and let's get into this video. Smothered down cube steak. Alright crew, so I seasoned the cube steak with salt, black pepper, Chachere creole seasoning, and my personal season. And I only seasoned one side on camera, but I seasoned both sides just to let y'all know. Here's a close-up of the seasoned cube steak. So I put the same seasonings in my flour, salt, black pepper, my personal season, and Chachere creole seasoning. Okay crew, so here's the tip. Once you season your meat, also season your flour, and that will ensure that your meat is also seasoned along with your flour that's seasoned. Even if you're doing cornmeal for like fish, also season your cornmeal. All I did was dreaded the cube steak in the flour. I shook up the excessive flour and I put it in the fryer at 350 degrees, and you want to cook it halfway. Only reason I'm saying cook it halfway because you want it to finish cooking in your gravy. Alright crew, so I'm about to pull it out the grease and give y'all a close-up. And like I said, be sure to cook it halfway and allow it to finish cooking in your gravy to ensure that your cube steak is really tender. For the gravy crew, I didn't make homemade gravy. I did the quick and easy way out. So I took 1 stick of margarine and I melted that down. I didn't melt it all the way, but I did add Vidalia onions and red, orange, and yellow peppers. I sauteed that down, then I went in with the gravy. And since it's not homemade, it's all about building flavors. So that's why I went in with the onions and the bell pepper and the margarine. I also seasoned the vegetables with salt, black pepper, Chachere creole seasoning, and my personal seasoning. Like I said, y'all, it's all about building flavors.
7 days and 7 hours since I last heard your voice. I know that you felt like you didn't have the choice, and I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I know I've been a fool, but baby, believe me when I say to you, yeah, yeah, you can change your mind, change your mind.
Okay, I'm about to go in with the gravy. I used 2 jars of the beef gravy, and I also added some water to loosen the gravy up some. Allow your gravy to cook some before you add the cube steak.
So please just hear me out. I know I've done you wrong. I know that I've mistreated you, but that I am sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I know I've been a fool, but baby, believe me when I say.
Okay, it's time to go in with the cube steak. And once I put all the cube steak in, I stirred it in. Then that's when I added the water to loosen the gravy up. And I allowed this to simmer on medium-low heat for at least 2 hours.
What can I say? Make you stay by my side, 'cause baby, I need you. Oh yeah, baby, I need you. Oh yeah, baby, I need you. I just need you by my side, yeah, baby, I need you. Oh, I know that I have done you wrong. Yeah, I've treated you poorly. That I've been a fool. But baby, believe me when I say to you.
Steak, and I allowed this to cook, smother down a couple hours to ensure that it was really tender and that everything thickened up very well. So along with the cube steak, we have cabbage right here that Mama M prepared, Mother Margaret, if y'all don't know. Then we have some rice right here that I made, and I'm gonna fix up a plate, and I'm gonna show y'all everything, and I'm gonna close out the video. Okay, crew, here's the final plate. We have our gravy down cube steak, our cabbage, and our rice with gravy, and the family loved it. It was really delicious, and the cube steak turned out super tender. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, please smash the thumbs up. Alright, crew, I'm about to show y'all how tender this cube steak was. I didn't use a knife. I used a butter knife to cut this to show you that it was super tender. And if you're new to the channel and you're seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you're notified when I upload a video. And like always, please like the videos and comment on the videos. And we also have 2 other channels, Unleash the Southern Crew and Mississippi Shopping on a Budget. Please go over and check out those channels. And you know that we'll catch y'all in the next video. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.